Dear students, welcome to our class on weather forecasting for agriculture 12th 1 to 12. In this class, we try to understand what are the thunderstorms, what are the dust storms, what are the lightnings. Their importance were earlier discussed. However, while discussing their importance and their climatology, and we give preference in this class for their warnings. Usually, sensitizing or sensitization warnings are usually given for monsoonal rains, particularly heavy rainfall, a depression or a cyclone system. For these phenomena, the sensitization or sensitized uh, propaganda is given public, okay, farmers, for the farmers. However, equally important are thunderstorms, dust storms, and lightning. So the importance of all these things, how a thunderstorm is caused. See, usually, on a very hot sunny day, if a very big lake is there or a big tank is there, water gets evaporated. On its uplift, it loses the energy, 540 calories for every gram it has taken. While evaporation, it loses, and then water droplets are formed. That's what we call it as the cloud. Cloud is defined as minute droplets of water suspended in the air at higher altitude. So, on a very hot sunny day, when temperatures of the air is say around 40-42, water temperature may be around 2 or 3 degrees centigrade, lesser than that one, 37 or 38, water gets evaporated, clouds are formed on the leeward side, okay, when on its lift, on the area, okay, after this particular lake, you get the rain. Similarly, snow also occurs. That's what the lake effect of snow also we have discussed. Now, here in this class, we try to understand what are the thunderstorms, what are their importance is simple. So, importance of thunderstorms climatology as far as particularly India is concerned, the objectives of thunderstorm climatology, and the dust storms warnings, lightning warnings. How they occur, we have covered it here. Now, see, the thunderstorms, usually TS we call it as TS, okay, no full stop, TS, thunderstorms, occur over different parts of the globe with this bit will come. That's why I'm telling. Thunderstorms occur over different parts of the globe with large, number one, spatial and temporal variations. Spatial and temporal variations, diurnal, seasonal and annual variability. Diurnal, seasonal and annual variability. Multiple choice question will come. So, A, B, C, D, all the above like that. That's why I'm telling. So, thunderstorms occur with temporal and spatial variations, diurnal variations, seasonal variations, and above all, annual variability is also very important. So, this bit will come, and please understand. Now, for Indian region, the thunderstorms usually occur throughout the year. However, March, April, May are the months where the thunderstorms occur more. That is pre-monsoonal period. Okay, that time only lightnings will occur. That I will cover after 7 or 8 minutes. Lightnings, so say most of the lightnings. Now, here the thunderstorm activities during the monsoon, post-monsoon and winter seasons are mainly governed by the large-scale synoptic weather systems with some alterations caused by the local topographical effect. Monsoon, pre-monsoon, post-monsoon, even during the summer months, okay, March, April, May. During these months, large-scale systems are there, local systems are there. However, local topographical effects play an important role with reference to the thunderstorms. Now, in India, hundreds of farmers die due to phenomena associated with the thunderstorm. Of course, lightnings and other things, that's what I'm going to cover later on. Now, the associated squally winds. Thunderstorms are usually associated with the squally winds. Sometimes thunderstorms in the summer months are associated with the hails. They damage the agricultural properties like animal sheds, pump sheds, electrical connections are formed, storage houses, etc., amounting to crores and crores of rupees losses. So, thunderstorms causes enormous amount of damage to the first infrastructure, above that human lives, farmer lives, animal lives. So that is the important. That's why I am telling. In addition to heavy rainfall warning, in addition to cyclone systems, in addition to depression, sensitizing, sensitizing, okay, popularity, okay, publicity has to be given for thunderstorms as well as the important, as well as the message that I would like to convey to my beloved students in this class. Now, apart from standing crops, farmers get enormous amount of losses for the standing crop, which get severely damaged due to thunderstorms. Also affect transportation of perishable produce, tomatoes, brinjal, all these things, produce, resulting in huge revenue losses to the farmers. So, thunderstorms causes human and animal life losses. Perishable products transportation is affected. Above all, the thunderstorms cause standing crop damages enormous, in addition to the infrastructure and first and foremost the lives of the farmers, the lives of the animals. Now, what is the thunderstorm climatology as far as India is concerned? You should know. Now, India is divided into 6 zones, not 6 zones regional centers, However, as far as thunderstorm is concerned, northern India, eastern India, western India, northeast India, and peninsular India and northwest India. Peninsular India, north. These are the 6. Once again, I will write. Okay, east, west, central. East, west, central. Number 1, 2, 3. Northeast, northwest, peninsular. Northeast, northwest, peninsular. As far as the east, west, and central are concerned, okay, no problem. They are also very, very important. However, as far as this particular thunderstorm climatology is concerned, northeastern states are mostly affected. Now, intense and high frequency thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are very intense, and if they occur continuously, okay, frequency is more. Okay, these are possible usually intense and high frequency are possible during the pre-monsoon, particularly April, May. Now, generally occur eastern and northeastern. That's why of all the 6 regions, eastern, western, central, eastern, western, central, northeastern, northwestern, and peninsular India. Among all these things, northeast India particularly is prone to thunderstorm. India Meteorological Department developed excellent products by taking the enormous amount of data they have analyzed, like climatological maps for thunderstorm, squall climatology based on data from 1980 to 2020. 1980 to 2020, almost 40 years of data they have taken. Wonderfully, they developed. What are the objectives of the thunderstorm climatology? Why we should understand the objectives? With what objectives we should understand the thunderstorm climatology? In view of high impact of thunderstorms, like in my opinion, like cyclones only, but area of coverage is less. That's what. Their influence on agriculture prediction and warnings of thunderstorms is done by the different offices of India Meteorological Department. During recent years, due to augmentation with radars, satellites, synoptic, enhanced quality of different inputs for prediction of the thunderstorms. Of course, in addition to that, dissemination also has increased because of the electronic information technology. Okay, now this is the objective. Why we should? They have large impact. We have the infrastructure for that. The thunderstorm categories and criteria for issuing thunderstorm warnings have been regularly revised and updated. In addition to earlier, after analyzing 1980 to 2020 data, it has been updated. Therefore, the procedure for first monitoring, then forecasting, then advice. Monitoring, forecasting. In addition to warning, advice are also being given nowadays. The criteria followed for thunderstorm, this bit will come, a short notes will come. Please note, thunderstorm warning and color codes. First, no thunderstorm green color like heavy rainfall. Light thunderstorm yellow color. Here the criteria is wind speeds less than 40 kmph. Light thunderstorm wind speed less than 40 kmph. Moderate 41 to 61 kmph squalls, gusts and wind speed. Orange color we give. Orange color 41 to 61. 62 to 87 kilometers per hour of wind speed, gusts or squalls. Red color. Again red color is also given for two more things. Not only severe thunderstorm, very severe thunderstorm, thunderstorm with hail, that's what I told 2 to 3 minutes back. Thunderstorms with hail damage extensively the standing crops which have come for harvesting, or fruit crops, premature falling of the fruits, damage of the fruits occur. Now again I am telling, green color is given, no thunderstorm. Yellow color is given for light thunderstorm less than 40 kilometers per hour of the wind speed. Now 41 to 61, moderate thunderstorm. Orange color. Severe, very severe with hail, red color is given. Severe is 62 to 87, more than 87 kilometers per hour, very severe with thunderstorm, more than 87 kilometers per hour with hails. This is what, however, as agrometeorology we should know what are the favorable conditions for the occurrence of thunderstorm. The thunderstorm occur because of the intense surface heating. Number one, low level moisture in the atmosphere, conditional stability of the atmosphere, and finally there should be a triggering mechanism. What is a triggering mechanism? That's what we discussed several times. No need to discuss triggering mechanisms. At least 2 to 3 triggering mechanisms are there. Now again, intense heating of the surface, low moisture coupled with the conditional stability. There should be stability in the atmosphere. Finally, there should be a triggering mechanism. Now, see, this is with reference to thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are generally occurring in India almost all season, pre-monsoon, monsoon, post-monsoon and summer season, whatever it may be. But northeastern India, peninsular India, of course eastern India, this is most prone to thunderstorm. Now, so let us discuss something about the dust storm for 1 minute and lightning for another 1 minute. Now, what is a dust storm? When dust is added to the thunderstorm, we usually call it as the dust storm. So, dust storms, there are 3 categories of the dust storm. Low dust storms. Low dust storm. What are the low dust storms? Wind speeds 40 kmph, like light thunderstorms. Low light dust storms here. Here light thunderstorms there. Here light dust storms. What are the light dust storms? Like light thunderstorms less than 40 kilometers per hour. But however, here the criteria is visibility less than 1000 meters. That means less than 1 kilometer, but more than 500 kilometers visibility is there. That's what we call as light dust storm. Light dust storm. Moderate dust storm. Wind speed is like moderate thunderstorm. Here is a moderate dust storm is also 41 to 61. However, here the wind speed is 41 to 61, but visibility is 200 to 500 meters. And severe dust storms and very severe dust storms 62 to 87, more than 87. Severe, more severe, 62 to 87, more than 87 severe, but visibility in case of severe dust storms is 50 to 200 meters only, and in case of a severe dust storm it is less than 50 meters, just 50 meters and less. Very severe dust storms we find. The wind speed criteria is less than 40, 41 to 61, 61 to 87, more than 87. Here, important thing is visibility is added with reference to dust storms. So, as far as thunderstorms are concerned, we don't cover the visibility. Now, last half minute, I would like to discuss with you lightnings. I have covered extensively. Thus, please subscribe to our channel, Agrometeorology, Farmers and Rural Development. There I have covered lightning extensively. Here, just a warning I will give you, elaborately I had given. So, Low lightning probability, 30% of the probability of occurrence. Low lightning probability. Okay, yellow color we give. Moderate lightning probability, 30 to 60%. Orange color we give. High lightning, more than 60%. Red color we give. Okay, yellow color, orange color, red color. Again, probability of occurrence. Depending upon the probability of the occurrence, we give low, moderate, high. Less than 30% probability, we give yellow color. 30 to 60% probability, orange color. High lightning, more than 60%, we give red color. Of course, analysis, forecast, and warning and standard operating procedure, that's what we call for thunderstorm, dust lightning, are almost similar to that of heavy rainfall warnings. This is what I would like to discuss with you in this class. Thanking you for your very patient hearing on thunderstorms, dust storms, and lightning warnings.